Sorry about that. I was wondering why the camera, I couldn't keep it still. It's because I had it zoomed in. I just wanted to let you hear those kookaburras. And then all those little parrots flew overhead. Kookaburras are stopped now. As soon as you try to video it, they stop. They're down here somewhere in the trees across the road. They're not going to sing now, they're not going to laugh now. Anyway, look at that beautiful sunset again on the clouds. And then we got the... Oh, there they go. They've moved further away though. And we've got the waxing moon up here. We're getting ready to have another little fire here. There's the waxing moon. So we got the full moon on the 30th coming. Oh, some magpies. Usually there's two little galahs that sleep up here. I wonder if they're there. No, they're not there tonight. They're usually right up the top there. Might be a bit early. There's the moon again. Magpies chasing each other. Anyway, have a beautiful night. Good night, everyone. Have an amazing, magical night. Hope you sleep really well. And have a great weekend. See you.